So, guys, have you wondered by making a wall display? Because we're gonna do it right now. We're gonna make one. Because all of you noticed that the Roblox How To uploaded a video. So you need to get these two. It can be, if you go like further, then it needs to be further. It needs to be far like this. But if they see shadow, that means the island's right over there. But that's okay. But if you want to put it more down, then you should go like this. Okay, and now get these two on these islands. If you want to do it like quickly, then you have to like put another island on top of these two, and then so if you want to do it at the same time, then disconnect your Wi-Fi and press these arrows, and then you connect your Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this. Wait for it. Now it could be either cold like rain or water spray. If the people see the islands, then they can some way take it away. But these two things are called the clouds. But you can just call it any names you want to call these islands. But my friend joined the game. Yo, friend! Look!
Yeah.
Look! It's raining!
It's raining from tacos.
It is raining! It's raining!
Is it rain?
Yes!
How?
Well, you're gonna see it right now when I post the video. So, wait, my friend joined the game too. It's raining. Wait,
I'm serious. I'm looking at this. This is what it is. I stop this car. Open your mouth.